morning. We realized that all the billboards that we went through were pretty much generic, right? They were blasting the same messages to everybody and were not contextual. Now, in the advertising world these days, being contextual and focused, targeted marketing is the thing to do. But how do you do that for advertising billboards? Even the LED ones that changes advertisements, but they actually changed on a program basis, but not contextually where the advertising billboards are. So the solution that we have is pretty much a simple smart billboard, where it uses all the sensors that's available to us today. For example, is it day, is it night? You can change the advertisements based on that. Is it raining? From a humidity standpoint, is it hot? Is it cold? Right? So it's a very simple usage of this technology and pretty robust. And I think in terms of applicability, it's pretty easy to scale this up. You just need very simple devices, plug it into all the existing LED type billboards, and away you go. We have a demo all set. So imagine an LED billboard at a bus stop. All right? Now, if it's in the day and it's a nice sunny day, it could be an advertisement to say, hey, come to the cafe, AWS for a cold iced tea. It's just 50 meters away. Now, when it detects that it's nighttime, it will change to something like, hey, come enjoy a cool cocktail in our rooftop restaurant or bar. Now, again, if it's in the daytime, and let's say it starts to rain and we use the sensor for moisture, it will say, there you go, hey, it's raining, come inside for a nice warm drink at AWS. And when it rains, and if it's in the evening, it might say, get home fast, you are at the bus stop after all, call a taxi instead. And so if you use all the other sensors, even the motion sensor from the last team, where if you know how many people are around that billboard, you're even able to charge your customers. Where the billboards have a lot more people there, then you charge them a little bit more. Right? Where it's very out there in the boonies, there's nobody, then it's cheaper to advertise. So you can scale it up that way as well in terms of analytics. So that's what it is.
Awesome. I see one more sensor here. Is that used by?
That was supposed to be the temperature. So, yeah. So if it's a cold day, not raining, then hey, have a hot chocolate. If it's hot, then have something cold. The problem is our sensor kept saying it was 300 degrees. It was boiling hot all the time.
What do you do then?
Change the sensor. So from a benefit standpoint, it's pretty straightforward in terms of sales. Should go up because it's more targeted. It can be predictive as you build your data. You know exactly where billboards are getting a lot of traction, getting lots of eyeballs, and kind of whether they're there. Therefore, you can tell your customer the type of advertisement that you can portray. Accurate billing comes back to that as well, that hey, some billboards get a lot more eyeballs than others, so you can do that. As for governments, they can use it too for safety and awareness type advertising. So on the highway, if it starts to rain, it's at night, you can say, hey guys, drive carefully, right? Because it starts to rain. So you can use that kind of public service announcement as well.
Just one last thing in terms of the AWS services. So this pushes then to the IoT service, and there you go.
Fairly straightforward in terms of the components. You can put the Edison. So right now it's just a laptop, but you could use the chip instead and turn it into a browser that displays it onto the billboard, right? And everything else goes here, AWS at the back, and you use the standard EC2, S3.
Yeah, for the videos, hosting.
So simple and robust.
Very good. Very nice. All right.
There you go.